The market demand for technology stocks is high as investors seek opportunities in the rapidly growing tech sector. Companies that specialize in cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and electric vehicles are especially drawing attention from both retail and institutional investors. The innovation and technological advancements in the English language have revolutionized communication and learning globally. From the invention of the printing press to the development of digital platforms and AI-driven language tools, the English language has continually evolved to embrace new forms of expression and accessibility. The strong financial performance of listed companies indicates their ability to generate substantial profits and revenue, showcasing their financial stability and potential for growth. This can be attributed to effective management, strategic decision-making, and a strong market position. Favorable macroeconomic conditions refer to a state where the overall economic environment is conducive to growth and stability. This can include factors such as low inflation, low unemployment, steady GDP growth, and favorable interest rates. When these conditions are present, businesses are more likely to invest, consumers are more likely to spend, and the overall economy tends to thrive. Investor optimism and risk appetite are driving the current market trends, as individuals seek higher returns and are willing to take on more risk for potential gains. Monetary policy refers to the actions taken by a central bank to regulate the money supply and achieve economic goals. One of the main tools of monetary policy is the adjustment of interest rates, which can affect borrowing, spending, and investment in the economy. The regulatory environment and government policies refer to the rules and regulations set by the government to govern and control various industries and sectors of the economy. These policies are designed to ensure fair competition, consumer protection, and overall economic stability. The global economic factors such as trade agreements, currency exchange rates, and interest rates significantly impact the financial stability of countries and the world economy.